there's some current stuff going on here. Art Institute of Chicago, May 14th to September 4th. You got Van Gogh, the avant-garde, the modern, and the landscape. You got the Geo Swabi Fresh Up, April 8th through July 3rd. Then you got the Dory Phantasmagory, the Young People's Theater of Chicago. Just got some local stuff going on, guys. Hands-on training for life-saving careers. Be a nurse. City Colleges of Chicago. The old Gumball machines are still around. Used to always fight for these right here. I haven't got a quarter. Let's get some change. I think I have $1. Yep, I got $1. Some quarters? Quarters, yeah. Thank you. All right, we used to fight for these, man. Let's see if they work. No Gumball. Oh, it worked. Ooh, I got a purple one. Okay, let's see if we can get. Oh, no, I don't want these M&Ms because that's chocolate. That's gonna melt. So let's go for. Hope I get a pink one. All right. Oh, I like one. Okay, let's go for 3. So we got 4 quarters, red one, and pink one. Come on! Oh, 2 red, purple, and white. Alright, let's go put these guns somewhere. So hopefully they won't melt. But hey guys, earlier I was earlier when I swapped the batteries, that's probably what caused the other battery to die out so quickly, is because when I touched it, it was like super fire hot. And I imagine the heat of the sun today probably fried the energy off that battery. So for Arizona, what I'm thinking of is getting actually 6 batteries, or at least 5, just in case that keeps happening while we cycle there. Or we'll just have to cycle early in the morning before it gets really hot. All right, there's some movement music festivals. 115 acts. I got Skrillex, Underworld, Cybotron, 3-6 Mafia, Basement Jacks, DJ set, Charlotte DeWitt, May 28th. 3-day and 1-day passes on sale now. Movement Festival. Okay, go check on the old so yeah, then you got Moody Man, Caribou, Dam Dola, DJ Minx, Fisher, Cash Doll, Bonobo, Zed Dead, Zed's Dead, TSHA, Tasha. Where's that happening? Hart Plaza, Detroit, movement, May 27th through the 29th. So that's happening like in 5 to 7 days, guys. 6 stages, 3 days. There we are. So we still got 46% the juice left, guys. That should be plenty to have our food. We're just gonna have it right out here in the shade. I just kind of people watch. We're gonna do some people watching after we get our food. So, I'm happy they're not playing any music in here, guys, because oh, my lady cooking for me there. Cooking for everybody.